She walks in like she owns the sky. Soft wind dancing through her hair. Every heartbeat says she's rare. No crown, but she's royalty. No chains, but she's holding me. Every step like poetry. She's the rhythm inside of me. I was lost in the noise before, chasing dreams I couldn't hold. And she came like a quiet storm, turned my gray into gold. I don't need a reason why. Every time she's in my mind, something pulls me closer in, like gravity under my skin. I just wanna worship her, like a song I never heard. Every time she gives me life, in her love I feel alive. I don't need no other world. She's a fire, she's a joy. In the dark she lights the spark. I was made to worship her.